Thanks for having me back. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and I'm in our Bosch kitchen with more Thanksgiving tips. You know, we've already practiced some dishes and we're gonna do some pre-prep, but it's remember that for Thanksgiving we want our food to be sturdy. Things like mashed potatoes, green beans, even my roasted butternut squash and apples that I'm doing this year, those can be made in advance. That's gonna give you the time to put the finishing touches on things that are a little bit more delicate, like the salads that I'm making this year. For Thanksgiving, I love serving my favorite autumn salads. Butternut squash, which I like to roast along with caramelized onions. I like nuts and dried fruits. Serve that over arugula with some sweet dressing. It's 2 days out, so I'm gonna take this time to chop as many veggies as I can. I'm gonna have all that ready to go in the refrigerator. It's the day before Thanksgiving. A couple last minute things I like to do the day before. I peel my potatoes, I put them in cold water in a pot, and put that pot in the fridge. Tomorrow I pull that whole pot out, put them on the stove, bring it to a boil. I'm also gonna prep my turkey. I'm gonna pull it out of the bag. I'm gonna pull out the giblets. I'm gonna set it on top of my roasting rack or my carrots, onions, and celery, all ready to roast. I got it seasoned. I'm gonna cover it and put it in the fridge. In the morning, all I gotta do is pull it out, let it warm up briefly while my oven's preheating, and get it going. Today, Thanksgiving, it's the big day. While I'm putting finishing touches on my Caesar salad, I got one last tip about your turkey. When you're letting your turkey rest, budget for 45 minutes or an hour. My 18-pound turkey is gonna take about 5 hours to cook, so I'm gonna add an extra hour to my timeline to make sure my bird hits the table on time. Make sure you join me at Facebook and YouTube at Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom for even more helpful hints. Once again, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, and thanks for joining me.